Okay, so in our previous class, we have started a use case where we are trying to get the data of students from 4 sections, and we calculated their total score, and also we calculated their percentage. We are trying to assign a rank, right? There, we have discussed that we need help of system variables. So first, we'll try to understand the system variables. What are all the variables that are available in data stage console, and how we can make use to generate a rank. That means a number for an order of data or a data which is arranged in some order. Okay, so if you see over here, this is IBM documentation page. You can just search anything on data stage, not only for system variables, for whatever topic. You can just type it on Google, where you are going to get the relative documents from IBM. It is best practice to use directly IBM pages, because there you'll get exact information or correct information. Okay, so we'll try to understand each of the system variables that are available in data stage. Okay, so date is a system variable which is going to help us to generate a date. Generate a date means this is going to uh, generate current date of that particular day. Say suppose we are running some data stage job today. I would like to generate today's date. So there is a function called current date, but there is also a system variable called @date. This is internally gives the operates the date function. Okay, that's the purpose of date. But here, what are all the system variables that we need for generating a number? Likewise, date, there is also day. False means which is giving zero value. FM is going to give field mark value. So these things I will explain when we are learning sequential job. Sequential job is little different than parallel job. While we are working with the sequential jobs, then that time I will explain this FM and their use also. So we would need this one, IN row number. IN row num is nothing but a counter which is going to starts from 1 or 0. I'll check from where it is starting. Apart from IN row num, there is partition num and num partitions. Okay, let me IN row num. Num partitions. Iterate partitions. So these are 3 main things which are dependent in generating the number in a sequence. So these are also interlinked with the node configuration on which a particular project is running. Okay. So last 4, IN row num, out row num, num partitions, partition num, and iterations. Last, these 5 need to be understandable first before using them to generate a rank. So let me go to those variables first. Here, so on my